Welcome to City Grill. I'm Rob Vore, and tonight I'm gonna do something a little different, but hey, we bought some chicken at Trader Joe's, a Pollo Asado, or what you can just call it, seasoned chicken on the grill, right? So we're gonna grill this chicken. It's nicely seasoned. I have some cut up spinach, cilantro, a little lime, olives, onions, and jalapenos from the garden. So I'm gonna put this on a tostada. So I'm gonna get this out on the grill here in just a second. Okay, it's raining outside. I don't mind, I gotta grill anyways, right? So I'm gonna put this chicken right on the grill here, just like so. Let that cook. And once it's ready, I'm gonna bring it back inside, and then I slice it up and get ready to put it on a tostada. That is gonna be delicious. I can't wait. I'm gonna go ahead and put that sauce on there just like that. Oh. So it was raining a little bit harder, but I brought the meat in. It looks great. I'm gonna give it just a little try because I've never had Trader Joe's seasoned chicken. It's good. It's gonna be very good. Highly recommend it. What I've done, I've got my tostada. I had it out on the grill too. Put a little black bean on it. I'm gonna put some cilantro on here as well. Some of my spinach. And I'm gonna put a little olive on there. I like jalapenos really bad. And some onion, just like so. I got olives already on there, so I'm gonna take some of the chicken, put that on here just like so. And some hot sauce. Oh, I love some hot sauce. Put whatever you want on. You don't have to make it this way, obviously. You can do whatever you want. And I highly recommend it. Give it a try. It's gonna be delicious. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you next time. All right, real quick, it's a bonus part. I'm gonna use some of the lime. Squeeze some lime juice onto those tostadas with the chicken. Oh my goodness, that's gonna be delicious, just like that. All right, see you next time.